Hi, I'm Todd Poore, and in this video we are going to be learning Silly Girl by the Descendents. This tune has three parts to it. We've got an opening riff, verse, and a chorus. Now this opening riff is actually going to come back in the middle of the song and at the end of the tune as well. Starting with the opening riff, the first little bit of this is all going to be on the 5th string, so starting at 2nd fret, 5th string, 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 5, 2. The next part of this will be this descending line in octaves. Now if you haven't played octaves, this will actually be really good practice for that. When we're strumming octaves, you have to mute the string in the middle. So if my first note in this octave shape is fret 7 on the 5th string, then I'm going to skip over the 4th string. I'm going to use my pointer finger lightly resting on it to mute the string. I'm going to use my ring finger here at fret 9 on the 3rd string. So just following the notes here with my pointer finger, because you just keep that shape as you move down. 7, 5, 3. So let me put that riff together for you so you can hear it all the way through. The next part of the song is the verse. 2 chords for this riff. We've got a G power chord. You can play a G major bar chord if you like. I usually just do a power chord. I really don't hear a lot of the upper notes that you'd get in a full bar chord, but yeah, that would work too. So we got a G power chord and a C power chord. So that G is fret 3, string 6. That C is fret 3, string 5. Now the strum pattern I'm playing here is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, and you're going to do that for each chord. So that's the riff. It's a little slower than what you'd hear in the recording. It's probably more like this. And that will lead us into the chorus. The chorus just has a few chords. The first one is a B power chord at fret 2 on the 5th string. Then a C power chord at fret 3 on the 5th string. And then a D power chord at fret 5 on the 5th string. So let me play that in rhythm for you. The end of the chorus, we're going to add in a G power chord. So the strum pattern I'll play on these. I'm going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up on the first 2. The strum pattern we used in the verse will be played on the 3rd chord, so I'll put that much together for you. We'll come back to that B. We'll play the same strum pattern we had a second ago, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. C, do the same thing. Then when we get to the G power chord, that's going to last a little longer than the previous 2 chords, so you go back to the longer strum pattern. And that makes up each part of the song. So of course, when learning a tune, you got to listen to it a lot and just sort the structure out. I try to do that just by listening. You know, if you've heard the song enough times, you really don't have to think about, okay, how many times I'm going to play this, what part comes next. You get an ear for it, and it's much easier that way. Now, I have a cover of this song, which you should check out if you get a chance. It's one of my favorite Descendents songs, but they're all good. So kind of hard to pick a favorite, but That's Silly Girl. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you check out some of my other videos, and we'll see you guys next time.